Shell here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of cards I've created. These cards are versatile in that they're done out of papers that are a little more masculine or a little more minimalist, I guess you could say. And I've used prints like this buffalo plaid print here on this first card. I've also used, it's kind of a wood grain print on there, or pattern on there. And I've gone ahead and used the rectangle dies again that I used in my last video, if you've seen that one. And so those are the rectangle dies with the little dots on them. And I've just layered them up. I've done 2 layers of the buffalo plaid in the black and cream there. And then the centerpiece is the rectangle in the wood grain. I've also used some stamps on there. I've used this little label stamp right here. One of my sons gave me this one actually. And so that is for this little pretty label right here. I used just another little rectangle kind of tag stamp, or tag, die cut on there. And I just wrote "Be Blessed" on that one. Add a little bit of baker's twine to just kind of dress it up a little. On this one I used the stamp, the little bird again, which I've been using a little bit in my card making lately. He's on this stamp set here. And I embossed him with the silver and added a little green leaf beside him here just for a little decoration. And the leaf I got from this sticker package here that I've had for a long time. I think I bought this on one of our trips when we were away one time. And so the little leaves just peel off, and there's different sizes and different styles of leaves on there. So I'll probably use some more of those in the future, but that's what I've used on there. And then the second one I did here, I used the rectangle dies again and layered them up, 3 of the same design. And this is another kind of wood grain look on there. I think that turned out really nice. And then I had that rectangle that I had done previously. And on this one, I just finished it off by adding the baker's twine on there. And then I added some of the leaves on this one as well. So I thought they turned out really nice and just a little more masculine type of card. Nice for spring, and they're blank inside as well, so you can just write whatever message you like in there. So I'm going to go ahead and emboss this little bird like I've done on this one, if you want to stay tuned and see that. Okay, so I've got the little bird stamp on my acrylic block here, and I'm just going to press them into the Versamark stamp pad here. Make sure he's good and sticky, and then I'll put them onto this little stamp label here, so like so. And then I'm going to use these, I could use the white or the snow or the silver. I think I'll use the silver for this little bird here. And I have a piece of scrap paper down so that I can collect any of the little bits of the embossing powder on there. So there we go, dump that back in there. Clean this up here so we don't get little bits around. This stuff can be pretty messy if you don't clean it up right away. You end up getting it on everything. So let's close that up. Okay, we'll take the embossing heat gun here and get that ready. All nice and sparkly and shiny there. And then I'll just add a little leaf from my stickers here. So you just this little green one just in front of him here. Looks like he's looking at that, checking that out. So that's really simple, and then that's ready to go on a card as well. So I'll just bring my cards back in here. So there we go. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed watching that today, and hope you feel inspired, and we'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.